comparable to express whatever person C messes up disastrously. Don't spread it towards or near to person B. In Cantonese and Cantonese, 阿師搞我嘅嘢，咪賴埋阿 B 度啊。Vocabularies are in a C or a B is the diminutive in the genuine Cantonese and Cantonese, the same pronunciation as in Hokkien, except that Hokkien would use the sound to read the Sinitic diminutive instead. Gao, it means to do, to make, to create. Close cognate are Gao in North Shun and Hokkien, and thus comparable to the root sound Gao in Tagalog and Javanese, and more distantly comparable to Gawo in Pashto. The relative pronoun in Cantonese and Cantonese, normally interpreted as that, what, which, for relative clauses. Tenderly, the closest comparable is still Indo-European, be that as gi, ge, ge, ye. Normally is used as what or thing, yet here specifically as whatever is related to the ya in Media in Kubasa Erdang, ya in Burmese. Before denasalization and vowel shift, it would be na, as in Hokkien and Japanese, or ne, as in the internal cognate, ne, mene, which means what or thing, and this is a close cognate to Ajun Buyan and comparable to nai, mai. The prohibitive particle in Cantonese and Cantonese, it means don't. Related to Teochew, Hokkien, Thai, Malayo, Polynesian, and likely Prakrit, Maya. Lai means to spread, span, extend. The closest comparable is Lai in Thai. Mai means near, close, especially here as close to, near to, related to, Malayo-Polynesian, comparable to Yuman languages like the Ibai, Du, a locative particle. That means the occasion, position, or place. It's related to Vietnamese, though, Nibali, Pao, comparable to Old Assamese or Old Assamese as well.